Thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Joanne, and I have 10 ways that you can make money online and make some decent money doing it. Number one is called Unaka, company in Chicago, and this is a personal assistant. You can make up to $45,000 a year, perform a wide variety of administrative tasks, including research of assigned tasks, then subsequent ordering and tracking. True. Anyways, I wanted to say thank you for coming to the channel. And if you would like more information on jobs, work from home jobs, or how to make money online, consider subscribing to the channel so you can see what videos that I have right now, and share the video, help somebody out that might need a job. So we got that all out the way, right? Okay, number two is called Pro Risk Solutions, Bridgeview, Illinois, customer service rep, $12 to $14 an hour. Place outbound phone calls for payment reminders. Like, let people know, look, hello, you're not paying your bill. You could make $12 to $14 an hour with just doing that alone. This is in Bridgeview, Illinois. Three is called Motorola Solutions in Chicago, customer sales. Demonstrate strong verbal and written communicational skills. Four is called Cyrils, food company. You can work anywhere in the United States. So this is a remote job. All of these are remote, work from home, but this one is you can work anywhere in the United States. Inside sales, $22 to $25 an hour. Part-time, develop, maintain, and support a sales network for the retail industry. Five is called Westhoff Realty in Chicago. Real estate assistant, $15 to $20 an hour, inputting deals and information on the deal management system. Six is called J&J Keller and Associates, Chicago, inside sales, $55,000 to $61,000 a year. Let me say that again. $55,000 to $61,000 a year. That's a lot of money. Confidentially engage customers using a proactive outbound a sales call approach to get them to actually make a sale. And you can make up to $61,000 a year. No commission. Seven is Eagle One Printing, sales rep, 3 years in sales and associate. You gotta have your associate in business. At least your associates in business. Number eight is called Wealthy Dreams Consulting, and this is in Matteson, Illinois. Sales consulting, work on commission. I like to tell, I like to give you the opportunity when when you getting paid on commission. I would like to let you know, because a lot of people don't like to be paid on commission. So I wanted to let you know, when I say commission, or I want you to know, this is not a base pay. This is on commission. You get commission, you get bonuses, and this is fully remote. And number nine is called Kurt Mamon, and this is in Chicago, sales rep, and you also get paid on commission. Develop leads, schedule appointments, identify customers' needs, and market appropriate products and services. So you're going to be actually making sales and services for the company. You'll be making sales, and you're going to be identifying the customer's needs, which is pretty good. But yeah, you're going to be getting paid off commission. It is what it is. It is what it is. You never know how much you can make doing on commission. You never know. Okay, number 10 is called ProSphere Alexandria, Virginia, virtual assistant. Coordinate the maintenance and attention of office areas. So this is how you're going to be doing. You're going to be a virtual assistant. You're going to be home checking out the area where the job is, but you're going to be home checking out the office and seeing what what you see from your eyes, and tell them what they need for the office, like alterations, whatever they need that you can see that they can't, because they're in the office. You're on the outside looking in. So that's what you're going to be. Coordinate the maintenance and attention of office areas. That's what you're going to be doing. And that sounds pretty decent. Like, I've never heard of a job where you do that. But you know what? Never know. This is in Alexandria, Virginia. Don't forget to share the video. And if you would like more information on how to make money from home, side hustles, um, passive income, how to make money with money making apps, legit money making apps, hey, go and click on that subscribe button and you can see what I have available for you right now. You can check it out as we speak, but you have to subscribe to the channel and see what I have available. With that being said, I want to say thank you for coming to the channel with this 10 ways to make money from home online. And I hope that one of these 10 will help you out. And click on any links that you're interested in and start the process. That's all. Click the link, start the process. That's it. Simple. And if it's in your area, even better, because that's what I want. I put the jobs out and I put the city and state. If there's a city, if there's a state, I put them out, give you the option as to if they're in your area or not. And I always give a brief summary of the job, so you can know if you want to, if you like it, if you even want, if it even interests you. If it don't, then that's why I give a brief summary. But thank you for coming to the channel and showing love for my channel. And I want you to know I appreciate you. And you didn't have to, but I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Bye-bye for now.